pursuant to Regulation 43(2)(b) of the Public Elections Regulations 2024 CI 127. Signed, Samuel Tete, Deputy Chair, Operations. The third rate of elections was 5th of January. 5th January. Also addressed to the Clerk to Parliament, and it reads, DSS, submission of writ of elections for Okaikwe Central, Tema Central, and Techiman South parliamentary elections held on 7 December 2024. I bring you greetings from the Electoral Commission and trust that this letter finds you well. Following the completion of the collation of police station results for Okaikwe Central, Tema Central, and Techiman South constituencies kindly find attached to participate in the election of the Speaker. In the case of Akwetia, of a court, restraining not just a member, but a clerk to Parliament from proceeding with the registration of, the members' participation in the election, as well from proceeding or dealing with a member All right. No. Let me finish. I'll do it. I'll do it. Honorable members of the House, that is my pleasant duty to do. The member may decide, may elect to participate, but in doing so, I'm drawing attention to Article 105 of the Constitution, and I will read and I read, a person who sits or votes in Parliament knowing or having reasonable grounds for knowing that he is not entitled to do so commits an offense No, I am not sitting there. No.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, colleagues, please, let's make a headway. Mr. Chairman. We have heard you. This is a house of rules and procedure that is not in doubt. This is a house that relies on precedence. I just have a simple answer to the point you made, and I have the instructions of my respected colleague-elect, Honorable Ernest Kumi, and fortified by the precedents of this House.
Thank you very much, honourable members. At this time, we shall proceed with a roll call. And I will invite the head of table to proceed with the.
Mr. Chairman,